Jella, happy birthday. I wish ko na sana matupad lahat ng wishes mo. I know dream party mo yung Blink party, so have fun. Naalala ko nung less than a year old ka pa lang, makarinig ka lang ng danceable music at talagang umiinda ka na. And I can see lumilevel up na yung dancing skills mo. I hope you stay as smart and as responsible as you are. Palaging makikinig kay na mommy at daddy, and of course kay Kuya Jared. Take good care of yourself always. Huwag kalilimutang mag-pray. Miss at love kita palagi hanggang sa huli.
Hello, Jella. Happy birthday. Di makarating ang lolo. May sakit eh. Happy birthday na lang. Love you.
Maligayang kaarawan ang ating batid sa prinsesang nagngangalang Maria Magella Panopio Club. Nawa ikaw ay biyayaan ng busog na katawan at higit na mas marami pang masasayang pagkakataon kasama ang iyong pamilya at mga mahal sa buhay. Ang dalaga ng team ng birthday mo baka pagkita natin ulit may jowa ka na o kaya kasing tangkad mo na si Red. Wish ko lang ay happy ka ngayong birthday mo, syempre. At wari ko yabalang na pala si Mami Abby. Yun lang. Enjoy. Have fun. Pakabait lagi. Study hard. Happy birthday.
Jella, happy 7th birthday. Sana sobra ka mag-enjoy dyan sa birthday mo. Sobra kaming proud sa mga na-achieve mo sa school, and sana mas ipagpatuloy mo pa yan. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jella, from Ninang Edward.
Hi Jella, happy birthday. So this is it. I know na super excited ka na talaga para sa party na to, and kami din. Though we're months apart, I'm sending you my 7 wishes on this special day. I know you're doing so well sa school, so keep it up. You've grown as a smart, talented, sweet, and thoughtful kid. So just stay that way, and I just want you to know that I'm always proud of you. And just like sa songs ng Blackpink, may your day be filled with sweet ice cream, sparkling sour candy, and super drizzle. I'm looking forward to do TikTok with you, tayo na Lia. Hopefully, magawa natin yung pag-uwi ko. And lots of love, hugs, and kisses to my inaanak, our little madam, our little TikToker, Jella, from your Ninang Pretty here. And I love you. Enjoy your party. Bye. I miss you all. God bless.
Hi, Madam Jella. Happy 7th birthday. Greetings from Abu Dhabi, UAE. I hope you enjoy your Blackpink-inspired birthday party. I wish you were there. Bilis ng panahon. Parang dati lang, bulol ka pa kumanta ng Bahay Kubo.
Nawang ang buya, si Kabinis Biging, ay maraming piya.
Pero now you're 7 years old, and I wanted to know that Ate Nicole is very proud of you. Ang galing-galing mo sa school. You make your parents proud and your kuya proud. Ayun lang. Enjoy your day. Hope to see you soon. Love you. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Jella. Big girl ka na, and I hope you enjoy your birthday celebration. See you soon.
Hi, Jella. How are you? How is my best friend? Wow! Today is your birthday. and you are 7 years old now. You know what? You are growing so fast. But for me, you'll always be my little cute and smart best friend. From here in Aruba, from your Lolo Willie and best friend, I wish you a happy birthday. I miss you and I love you so much. Okay? Bye-bye. Enjoy the party. Bye. I love you.
Hi, Jella. Happy birthday. Happy 7th birthday. I wish all your dreams and wishes come true. Enjoy your day and God bless. Happy birthday.
Hi, Jella. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Jella. From Venezuela, I send you a hug and my best wishes.
Happy birthday, Yela, from Aruba.
Hola, Yela. Un saludo muy especial desde Colombia.
Hello, Jella. Happy birthday. I wish you good health and may our Lord God continue to bless you and guide you always. Enjoy your special day. We miss you. Hope to see you soon. God bless. Love you.
Hi Jella, happy 7th birthday. Enjoy your party. Mag-aral ng mabuti at magpakabait lagi. Thank you for being there for Leah. See you soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jella. May you become an obedient daughter to your mother and father. A loving sister to your brother. At nawa ay lumaki ka na may takot sa Panginoon, may kasunuran sa iyong mga magulang, at nawa ay maintindihan mo itong Tagalog na ito dahil may translator ka naman, si Ate Gems, kasi talagang batang-bata ka pa ay English speaking ka na. So, God bless. I'm always praying for you and enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday, Jella.
Happy birthday, Jella. Ang aking pagbati sa pagsapit ng iyong ika-7 kaarawan. Pagbati rin sa iyong mga magulang. At hindi wish, kundi panalangin ang aking hatid sa iyo. Panalangin na nawa ay pagkalooban ka ng Panginoon ng malusog at malakas na pangangatawan. Sa iyong paglaki ay hindi lamang umunlad sa kaalaman, kundi sa karunungan sa pamamagitan ng pagiging masunurin sa mga magulang. Nawa ang iyong mga pangarap at mithiin sa buhay ay matupad. Sa kahuli-hulihan, huwag kang makalilimot magpasalamat sa Diyos, sapagkat ikaw ay bunga ng taimtim at maraming panalangin ng iyong mga magulang. 8 taon na ang nakalilipas. Ikaw ang tugon ng Diyos sa kanilang mga dasal. Kaya huwag makalilimot magpasalamat. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. And God bless.
Happy 7th birthday, Jella. I am sure na hindi mo ako kilala, kaya magpapakilala muna ako. Ako si Father Gerald, isa sa mga ninong mo. And as I send you this birthday greeting, I wish that this special day of yours may be grace-filled. And I hope that the coming years will be bright and beautiful as you are inside out. Once again, happy birthday, and may this day be filled with unforgettable memories with your friends and family. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jella. Stay sweet, enjoy your day, and have fun. Mwah!
Happy 7th birthday, Jella. I'm your cousin from New Jersey, Keona, and I'm the granddaughter of Lola Eileen. On behalf of all your relatives in New Jersey, I would like to wish you happy birthday and enjoy your celebration. God bless.
Hi, Jella. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Stay happy, be happy, keep smiling.
Hi Jella, good morning. Happy 7th birthday. It's me, Ninong Ernest. May all your wishes come true today and every day. And wish you good health and more birthdays to come. And I know you are a good girl, so keep it up. Happy birthday.
Happy 7th birthday, Jella. We love you.
Birthday.